Aloha and welcome to Frequently Asked Questions about the Tax-Free Cash Growth Warehouse, brought to you by SCFSIC. How to find money to become my own banker, Infinite Banking, and TFCGW Strategy. We realize that these days, a lot of people are stretching their budget pretty tightly.
All the more reason to get on the TFCGW bandwagon. Aloha, I'm Amanda.
And I'm Stan, and we're finance strategists, here to help you to improve your financial life. But it's the American way, isn't it? That is, the debt economy, spend more than you make, live on credit, and the traditional banking system.
Otherwise known as the rat race.
That's just how we've all been brainwashed from our youth up. The banks are here to help us. Buy now, pay later.
The more you buy, the more you save.
Love that one. Yeah, right.
Unless you're fortunate enough to have found a detour from that path.
And that's really not likely at all unless you look for a detour.
The rat race is fairly inevitable in middle-class America.
Now, we here at SCFSIC promote an asset economy rather than the debt economy. And the tax-free cash growth warehouse is at the core of asset economy.
For example, did you know that a house is not an asset? Not until it's paid off and has exceeded in value what you paid for it. Until that happens, a house is a liability.
And with traditional mortgage financing, you will pay about twice the value of the property over the term of the mortgage.
On the other hand, whole life insurance is an asset from the very beginning and never a liability.
Interesting. Things that make you go, We are finance strategists, so we not only help our clients to save big money and grow their wealth with the TFCGW strategy, we also help our clients to find the money within their budgets to get their TFCGW accounts funded so they can start practicing the TFCGW strategy. Now, I'm not going to promise or guarantee that our comprehensive financial analysis will find a lot of money within your budget for you, but it has been at least moderately successful in doing that for everyone that we've done this for.
Basically, how it works is this. We review your entire budget, all of your fixed expenses, all of your variable and optional expenses. Then we look for ways to save money in the way of reducing interest rates, finding better values and lower costs for services and products on your list, and then working on a budget and plan that will free up money that you can then reallocate to where it will serve you better.
Yeah, it's pretty simple and straightforward, but it does take a little time and some work to get through it all. It's definitely well worth the effort, though. And you can no doubt make some pretty good headway on your own if you put your mind to it.
For example, one of the things we did some time back was to quit buying coffee at Starbucks and buy the Starbucks coffee at Costco and brew your own. This saved us over $200 a month right there.
Yeah, and we have clients that this simple change has saved more like $400 a month for. Just recently I found at Costco Jose's Organic French Roast Coffee for just $11 for 3 pounds. Now, this isn't an ad for Jose's Coffee, but the thing is, Starbucks is $18 for 2.5 pounds at Costco. And Jose's Coffee is every bit as good tasting. I've negotiated with the cable company 3 times now over the past 10 years. Each time I was able to get them to lower their monthly charge for us to match the best pricing offered currently in our service area. And this has saved us over $400 a year in just our cable and internet service.
We recently upgraded our cell phones and service. The phone costs us nothing, and our service includes unlimited everything for 2 phones for less than $20 per month than what we were paying.
So there's another $240 a year saved. And we got 2 new phones for $20 less per month than what we were paying before. How did we do that? We switched providers and took advantage of their advertised offer. These are just a few of the possible areas where costs can be lowered and save you some money that you can put to much better use in a TFCGW account.
And with just those 3 adjustments, coffee brand, cell phone service, and cable plus internet package, we're saving over $720 a year.
Yeah. And car insurance is another area. And if you currently have life insurance, there's a good chance that you can get a better policy with more coverage for the same or even possibly lower premium than what you're paying now. Check out our video, Can I Get a Better Policy for Infinite Banking TFCGW?
Well, that's all for now. So please post your comments and questions below in the comment sections here. And please subscribe to this channel so you'll be notified when we post new videos and content.
Also, if you haven't yet, do yourself a favor and watch our free 60-minute webinar, How to Become Master of Your Financial World. The link is right below in the description box. Remember, we're here to help. Aloha for now.
And mahalo for watching.